Welcome back to Auto Garage, your go-to channel for all things on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting new releases in the automotive world, the Toyota Camper Truck 2025. Whether you're an adventurer, a weekend warrior, or just someone who loves the idea of freedom on the road, this is a vehicle you need to know about. Let's get into it. Toyota has always been a pioneer in combining utility, reliability, and innovation. And the 2025 Camper Truck? It's no exception. A beast of a machine designed for both the wild outdoors and urban landscapes. This is not just a truck, it's your home on wheels, built for the journey of a lifetime. Let's start with what catches your eye first, the design. This truck is bold, rugged, and surprisingly aerodynamic for a camper. It's built on Toyota's new TNGAF platform, ensuring durability while maintaining a comfortable ride. Under the hood, you've got options. The Toyota Camper Truck 2025 comes with two powertrain choices, a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine delivering 350 horsepower, or the more powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 with 389 horsepower. Both options ensure a smooth and efficient ride, even when fully loaded. With an impressive towing capacity of up to 7,500 pounds, you can haul everything from your adventure gear to a small boat. Plus, the adaptive suspension system adjusts to your terrain, whether it's sand, mud, or snowy trails. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the camper setup. Toyota has outdone themselves with this one. Step inside, and you'll find a cozy yet functional space perfect for extended trips. First, you've got a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, a mini fridge, and a stainless steel sink. There's also a convertible dining area that doubles as a sleeping space, complete with memory foam cushions for maximum comfort. Storage is no issue here. With plenty of overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and even a gear garage in the rear, there's a place for everything. Oh, and did I mention the integrated solar panels? They provide enough power to keep your gadgets running and the camper lit up all night. The 2025 model also features a smart power management system, which lets you monitor and control your energy usage right from your smartphone. No more guessing if you'll run out of juice in the middle of nowhere. Now let's talk tech. Toyota has packed this truck with cutting-edge technology. The 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of off-road navigation tools. The 360-degree camera makes parking, even in tight camping spots, a breeze. Safety features? Oh, they've got you covered. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist and Toyota's pre-collision system, this truck ensures you're safe, whether on the highway or deep in the wilderness. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Toyota Camper T.